It is January 5th, noon 2023. Well, it's a little bit after because I've already done all this work and now I'm just documenting this for in front of the video. I put in January and the sun was starting to go behind a cloud like minutes before I was supposed to pound that in, so I marked a point. And then right at 12:01 the sun came back out, so I used that spot at that time to pound in that stake, and these are exactly level. And speaking of level, that level there is just a representation of it, that it was with the level, the stick basically was 90 degrees from the shadow, which is over here, and the sun's back behind a cloud again, not casting a very strong shadow. December 2022, January 2023. January 2023. And that's a floppy, and that's a sago. You can see my shadow there and the two stakes. The stake on the left is January. The stake on the right is December 2022. So I'm looking at this, I'm going, well, first of all, the level is just there to represent that it's 90 degrees on the shadow. And as you look overhead, why is January further away from December? Why is Sago giving me a hard time with this floppy? So I got to thinking about it. I'm thinking, January should be closer. Than December. It's like it's opposite. I'm standing here, I'm staring at it, I'm going, what is going on here? What is wrong? And I got to thinking about it. December, I can't see my screen. December was pounded in 15 days. No, I know what I'm talking about. December was put in 23 days before the solstice, the longest day of the year. This was put in 15 days after. So this is closer to the solstice in reference to time than this one. So that's why that one's longer. Or that's why that one is longer away, is further away from the post. Keep my video running here. Give me this. Give me a hard time. Keep my video running here versus breaking it up. I'm going to keep all this documented. I'm going to upload it to a private link on YouTube so I can refer back to it. So this was actually put in December 3rd. Actually January was put in December was put in December 3rd. January was put in December 5th, and I've accounted for the days difference there. So this was put in 15 days right after the solstice, right after the longest day of the year. This was put in 23 days before the longest day of the year. So that's why this one appears to be and is further away from the post. That's a ring, or not a ring. It's a floppy. So something else I've noticed here, back up. I'm back here by the post. January on the left, December on the right. So these are going like this, going this way. So I imagine it's going to go like this. It's going to cross over in June. Be like a wider figure 8, longest day of the year has already happened. And we're going to go back around like this. We're going to cross over again and go back to December marking. That's my estimate. I'm probably going to have to take out that sagebrush, but I will wait until it's time. I had already cleared all this out over here, thinking it's going to go way out over here, but I may have cleared out way too far. That's it. Whenever I come out here to do this, just constantly giving me a hard time. Well, not a hard time, but wants to play. And that's fine. Well, I'm done here until February 2023.